Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thanks for watching another video. On today's video, we're going to talk about how we prep and paint new replacement panels. You may have typically seen these in your body shop. They come in packaging that looks like this. So we've got two fenders here. We're going to show you right over here. We've got a bumper for a different car that we're going to be doing a different color. Now, it's important to note that these parts come in a black primer. Once we get the rest of this packaging off, we're going to show you that. And we're going to show you guys how nice and easy these parts are literally to scuff and spray. Now that everything's unwrapped, you can take a look at the black primer that I was talking about. So this is how these parts come. Now what I like to do is I like to start with a red scotch pad. Obviously I edge my panel first, I get all the hard to get surfaces, and then I'm going to scotch pad the rest. And then we're going to move on to the Orbital. Now that you guys hit everything with the red scotch pad, the next step is going to be grab your Orbital, soft pad. I'm using 400 grit right here. So I'm going to just sand everything with 400 grit on the soft pad with the Orbital. Okay, so after our 400, we're going to just quickly go over it with some 600, guys. Now another important thing is when you're wiping this off, make sure you're wiping it the same way. This way you're not dragging the contaminants all over the panel. Grab your dry one. So you got everything wiped down. We're gonna go ahead and fire the booth up, blow everything off one more time. We're gonna tack it. We already got our sealer mixed up, ready to go in the gun. We're gonna shoot everything with sealer. Check it out. So everything is in base coat, everything's nice and dry. We're gonna fire up the booth again. blow everything off, hit it with our tack cloth, and start spraying our clear. So just like usual, I like to lay down 3 coats of clear. I've been using a product called Legacy. Check it out, guys. Tell me what you think. Now that is smooth, ladies and gentlemen. And guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something on how to paint these new panels. Super easy. I'd rather paint brand new panels than restore old ones any day of the week. Take a look, tell me what you think. Super smooth finish. Love this clear. Sprayed at 30 psi. My gun of choice right now is a SATA 5000. So this is just a lip kit for a little Civic Si. Looks really, really, really awesome. And this is a bumper for a Civic. Not the same Civic. If you guys enjoyed the video, see you next week. Keep your sticks on the ice.